is an indication that the correct water level has not been reached in the washer within an expected time frame. In most cases, this error code can be corrected without the need for service. Follow these simple steps to locate possible issues that could be the source of the error. First, check the incoming water supply. Be sure that the water supply valves are in the on position and that there is no issues such as kinked water hoses or frozen water lines that could prevent the water from flowing into the unit. Next, check to be sure that the water inlet screens are not clogged, causing a restriction in water flow. To remove and clean the inlet screens. Turn off the home's hot and cold water supply. Remove the water inlet hoses from the washer. Be sure to have a bucket to drain the remaining water from the hoses. Check the inlet filters on the inlet valves of the washer. Inspect for any mineral deposits or any debris that may cause a clog issue inside the screens. Check to be sure that the drain hose is installed properly. The drain hose should be installed into a drain a minimum of 30 inches from the floor and must not extend more than 4 inches into the drain standpipe. If the drain is installed too low or too deep into the standpipe, this could cause a siphon issue and cause water to flow out of the unit as it fills.